Yeah, well, it's being the right height for every other show. Yeah, we'll stick a box underneath the bottom chair then. All right. Left. Left.
Left.
Left.
Oh my God, it's already starting. Okay. Hi, everybody, and welcome once again to my show. I don't think they can see me. Well, put another box under the bottom chair, you moron. Hi, everybody.
And
What a show we've got lined up for you tonight.
we've got everything.
And welcome to Facts or Frauds.
What you are witnessing is real. The participants are not actors.
Mr. Hicks, good morning to you.
Yes.
You have
Good morning.
Good morning. You have a final pretrial set for June the 10th, and you have a trial date. You have a final pretrial set for June the 10th. And a jury trial date set for the same day. Okay, that's not correct.
Yeah, you did.
Hold on one second. Let's get the date straight.
I'm not here for that.
What are you here for, sir?
The slip says for Jonathan Reeves.
Jonathan Reeves.
Yes.
I don't know anything about a Jonathan Reeves. Let's see. Maybe I don't know anything about a Jonathan Reeves.
Well, I motion for this case.
Jonathan Reeves. Are you Mr. Hicks? Are you Albert Hicks?
Yes, I am.
Okay, so we're going to get you your dates, and that Jonathan Reeves.
I already have my dates. I talked to you last week, remember?
Yeah, let me make sure your dates are correct. What dates do you have?
I have by May the 24th, I have to turn my papers in. I have the 10th of June, the 11th of June.
Do me one favor. Turn your camera off because you're breaking up pretty bad. And hopefully that will go through a little bit clearer with your camera off. Please.
That's correct.
Okay. It's correct.
Pretrial June the 10th.
How is the trial date the same as the final
Well,
pretrial?
that's not us. Talking about right here.
And when is the trial dates?
This is a trial with another judge.
What is the trial date for these cases?
It's June the 11th, the next day. So we got.
Why isn't that in there?
It's in-
It isn't there? Okay.
Just that the
Give me
first
the
day.
dates that you have, Mr. Hicks. I think it's correct.
I have June the 10th and June the 11th.
Very well. Okay. We'll see you back on those dates, sir.
But this matter right here with this Jonathan Reeves.
Well, what does Jonathan Reeves have to do with you?
That's what I'm here for court for today. I'm making a personal special appearance for this.
Okay, I don't know. Who is Jonathan Reeves? Do you know who that is? What does it say on that? Because it sounds like it may be Jonathan Reeves may have stayed at that address at some point and left. I don't know what that's all
That's why I'm
about.
asking that this case be dismissed. The case is SP 15008721.
SP 15008721. Okay, that's not
Okay.
Jonathan. Okay, Jonathan Reeves is the officer that apparently wrote the ticket.
And where?
And that's scheduled for the final pretrial on, I see where he's here today. It says scheduled for pretrial today. But that's all gonna be handled on the 11th of, Jonathan Reeves is supposed to be here on the 11th of June, on the day
I
of
was
trial.
not notified. 11th of June.
Yeah.
How was he going to be here on the 11th of June? And I have Spidell on the 11th of June.
You have a couple of different officers, obviously.
Jonathan Reeves and Spidell has nothing to do with each other.
Well, we're just consolidating. We're having all of
Why
them here.
would you do that against my will? Why would you just do that?
I'm doing it because of the judicial economy, sir. So
I'm challenging that one.
Okay, then write a motion, and we'll rule on it. But it's all in the same. We're all going to do it on the same day.
You didn't ask me that.
I don't have to.
You didn't ask me that. You just arbitrarily did it. That's not right. That goes against my rights.
All right. Well, you can put it in a motion, sir.
Well, the whole thing is, I don't know what y'all doing down there, but you are totally infringing on my rights.
Okay, well, file a motion, sir. That's how you speak to the
Why
court.
would I have to file a motion when you infringed on my rights? And I'm saying it right here, right now.
That's what the court rules are. You gotta follow.
No, it's not. Then show me those rules. Let me see those rules. Send those rules to me.
I don't have to show you anything here. That's all public
Oh,
information.
you're acting tough now? You're acting tough now? Behind the bench?
Mr. Hicks.
Let's
not go there, all right?
My honor, please. I'm bringing up valid litigation for this. I don't know what y'all doing. Y'all can't do anything without my permission. I'm not a ward of the state.
Mr. Hicks.
I'm an unfranchised common law free man.
Okay, Mr. Hicks. All I ask you to do is you can file a motion. You can put all of that stuff in the motion.
Yeah, so you can come back and say motion denied, right? Like you did last time.
Well, that's my discretion. If I don't feel that it meets if it doesn't meet the criteria of the law, then that's what my
what jurisdiction are we?
I'm not going to answer this question, sir.
Oh, you're not going to answer the questions? Then I would like to know your status.
You don't ask the questions. I ask the questions. That's how.
You're going to play like that. What is your status? I am a common law free man. What is your status?
All right. Listen, sir.
What is your name, your nationality?
Listen, Mr. Hicks. Mr. Hicks, I'm about to put you out the room, and I'm going to do that so I don't have to find you in contempt. I don't want to do that. Okay, I'm giving you your opportunity to speak to the court through motions. You have your motion date already set. You can put all of that stuff in the motion, okay? And
why wasn't I notified about this case, this particular?
You are notified. You have it here. You have it there. That's why you zoomed in. Who muted them? All right, let's move on. Somehow he got muted.
Soon after.
All right, Mr. Hicks. All right, now I'm going to give you one last chance to speak, sir. Go ahead and well, before the other litigants come on.
And Your Honor, we're not on the record with Mr. Hicks.
No, we're not on the record.
We should be on the record with Mr. Hicks.
We're not. You don't have a court date today, sir.
I have a court date. I have the paper right in my hand. I have the paper right here in my hand.
In that case number, I told you your court date is, you have motion dates for that. You have,
you just told me, you just told me that. What did I have a court date today for? Why did I waste my time to come here just to hear this?
Well, I mean, sometimes that happens. I mean, if you feel that you're wasting your time, then you don't.
It's the fault of mine. It's the fault of 36th District. Y'all asked me to come to Zoom today.
From what I see here, sir, it's
it has pre-trial on here. Wednesday, February 7th, 2024. 9:35 a.m.
All right, let's do this. Let's call the case.
Zoom hearing meeting.
Hold on a
for
second. Let's call the case. Let's call the case. This is the city of Detroit versus Albert Hicks Jr. Case number SP15008721. State your name for the record, please, Mr. Hicks.
Albert Hicks.
Today is the date and time we'll call it set for a pre-trial date. I see here
this is supposed to be the trial. Excuse me, Your Honor. This is supposed to be the trial date.
It's supposed to be the pre-trial date, correct?
Absolutely.
Okay. Mr. Hicks, based on the nature of the allegation, the city's not going to give you an offer for this case. They want to see and speak with the officer, one being the gentleman you referred to off the record, Jonathan Rivas, and then there's another officer, Daniel Colgrove. Either one of those officers, they're both going to be summoned. I don't know what their testimony will be, but
I motion to dismiss.
Let me finish, and I'll let you speak. All right.
Yelling at me now?
Yes.
That constitutional?
All right.
Over. Okay.
So let me finish, and I'll let you speak. If you're not going to do it that way, you're either going to get out the room or you're going to be in. I'm going to lock you up. All right. So today is the date and time set for a pre-trial, and this pre-trial, the officer is not required to be here for a pre-trial. The pre-trial date is set in order for you to get an offer to either settle up the case, or in this case, we're setting a trial date. You have dates already set, and the date for a motion is going to be on that. I see it. The date motion due is going to be on May the 24th, 2024. The response to that motion, if the city chooses to respond, is going to be on May 31st, 2024. Your next court date that you need to be present is going to be on June 10th, 2024 at 8:35, with the jury trial set the next day on June 11th, 2024 at 9:35. Okay? Now, I'll let you speak, and we're going to end it.
Is all of this on record?
This is all on record.
Is all of this on record?
Yes.
Okay, please send the information to my home, please.
Okay, very well, sir. Have a very good day. Best of luck to you, all right?
Yeah.
I'm sick of you always telling me what to do. You need to stop blaming others for your denials and You're supposed to decide what you be or something.
And thanks for hanging out with us on Facts or Frauds. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and ring that bell for notifications so the next time I premiere a video, you can be in a live chat with everyone else and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Robert Morley, Chris Kelling, Andy, Existential Angst, Butcher Bird, Pat's Cats, West Side Girl Reacts, Goddess of Truth, Jason Heaton, Buddy Parker, Colt Stonewolfe. And if you're still hanging out, thank you. I appreciate you all. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button, you're subscribed, and leave a comment in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Until next time, I'll see you soon.